Hello, I'm Yok Boon. Today I'd like to share with you on how Excel can do, right, versus the mainframe. That means it can do like this. That means January item. That means it's filtered to by January, by items or by customer. So they say I put item here, then the product, then you will give the spec in January, then the amount for the whole product set 17. So product 12 they give me, then all the way down product 21, all the way down, right, to this one. So if let's say I change this the month, put 4. Okay, so when I put April, that means all will come April, so with the listing same. So if let's say I change this to customer, okay, so that means the spec change the customer, then the product, the spec all in April. So that means you can see the summary, detailed summary report for customer or by product in this sheet. Okay, so this one is all done by Excel spreadsheet without the use of VBA. Okay, so to do this it takes quite some time. So if you like my channel, right, and want to know more about this, please subscribe to my channel, and I will share with you in my future upload. Okay, thank you.